Alright, so there's a few things I'm seeing right off the bat with Axie Infinity. We have these three zones of resistance above us currently. As you can see, as we head upwards, they're actually getting bigger, which is kind of interesting. So this first zone of resistance is set from here, here, as well as here. And you can probably call this, some trading within this range as well. But the main reason I drew this bottom one is because it looks like we're forming a cup and handle pattern right here, which I'll get to here in a moment. Turn on the EMA ribbon on the daily as well as the Ichimoku cloud. You can actually see that we have flipped the EMA green. We are currently testing it as right now, but the spread isn't very large. It is worth a note that we haven't had a green EMA spread since back here in December. So this very well could start offering us some support within this red Ichimoku cloud. As you can see, we have already broken into it. And it actually looks like the price level is trying its best not to break below the Ichimoku cloud lower boundary. We also have the 200 daily EMA right here, which kind of lines up with this top back here. So if we do manage to break out of here soon, we could see some resistance up there. If we take a look at the 4-hourly chart, you can see that the price is trading below the EMA spread, which isn't a great sign, but it looks like we could find support in the Ichimoku cloud, especially if the 200 EMA starts to move its way further into it. But for now, we'll go ahead and take a look at this cup and handle formation that I mentioned earlier. So what we can do is we can take a price target from what would be the neckline or the breakout point, which is probably somewhere up there, and we'll go to the low, and then we can extrapolate the price data upwards. And if we take a look here, you can see it's actually pointing above this zone, so we could very well top out up here. What we can do now is take a fib retracement from this high to this low, and you can see it actually lines up perfectly with the 0.5 level. So in my opinion, if we do break this zone of resistance to the upside, we could very well see a top at the 0.5 level on a fib retracement, and then retest this zone yet again before moving higher. But that is if we manage to break this red box to the upside, which also houses the 382 level on the Fibonacci retracement. For the downside, we really need to stay above this Ichimoku cloud as well as this 0.5 level on this micro fib I've drawn. Because if we manage to find support here and rally out of this, that means this Ichimoku cloud would be valid and could continue providing support as the price moves upwards. So getting much below 58 bucks is probably going to be dangerous territory in my opinion. If not, if we manage to move to the upside, we could very well see a $100 Axie. So this is all I have for Axie Infinity today. This is not financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one.